Thank you, Ramesh bhai. So, a very valid point that we will be playing on Astral Cup, and only rubber spikes are allowed, so you cannot wear cricket spikes on the. So, really good to have him here as well. So, he'll be helping you. I was just going through the equipment, so there will be no equipments available for the organizer, so you have to bring your own cricket equipments. We mentioned that no black shoes will be allowed, but you can wear which colored shoes, no problem. I'm sure that safety is very important for all of us, and we will really encourage you to wear the helmets and all the protective gear. I think we all know what player eligibility is. As this is not really a high standard, high international standard tournament, we are looking at corporate players who play optionally and not playing at professional level. So we have those rules in place that any player who has played 3 or more games in a Sunday league and really dominating Sunday league or performing really well, are one of the national players. He will not be allowed. Similarly, batsman retirement. Okay. That's the rule you have to understand, that batsman will be retired on when he reaching 30 runs. So if somebody is batting on 29 and they'll take only 1 run, when he reaches 30, he need to retire. Okay, there is another rule which is very, very important because the timing, because it's a short form of the game, we will be really going quick. So we have to make sure that we have to go for batsman crossing. That is the rule, that the batsman gets out straight away, that the batsman going in have to actually cross inside the ground. If they don't cross, there is a penalty. There will be a new ball or whatever the ball will be available, but we will try to get the ball in similar conditions. If the ball lost in first over or second over, we might just throw the new ball in. But if it is 7th or 8th over, we might give the appropriate ball. But it's all again depend on the availability as well, and depend on the umpire's decision, what ball he chooses. On each 4 minutes late, there will be 6 penalty runs. Third over to the 8th over. So starting from 3rd to 8th, in between you have to go at the over of 10. If you don't call it until the 8th over, the 8th over automatically becomes of course white ball will be counted as 1 run, but we have to bowl extra ball. Same with the no ball, that is front to being taken. At the same time, he will be also make a note that the free hit being taken, and but it's depend on the batsman. It depends on the batsman as well. If you want to take 10 free hits in a row, you are allowed to take that as well. Okay. But if you go until 9th over and call for a free hit, and don't use it, the ones you don't use, it'll just be wasted.
Yeah, the bat will take a free hit. You see, the very first free hit, you're not supposed to change the field because the striker cannot be taken. Once he takes a free hit and the batsman crosses, when the next free hit, the fielding side has the chance to move because the striker has changed.
No, they are talking about the batsman need a free hit.
Then after the very first free hit, no feelings around the game. You can't change. You can't change that. Because the free hit is not given in the form of it normally given.
Yes, right. Yes, right.
Because
I think if somebody called for a free hit,
It's not an error. It is just
so mentioning of the rule here, the normal cricket rule will apply. Do we have any other questions?
here. So normal rules are then Hindus bowling. Hindus bowling before 2 beamers. Basically, if you allow you bowl 2 beamers, the third beamer if you bowl, take out the ball. Then you can only take it out. No, you can generally be allowed to.
First warning.
First warning and second warning.
Yeah, I think that is again, this is a normal cricket rule. If,
So the free hits just continue over there?
even after the overs,
I know, but if someone by say excitement, my brother, I need 6 free hits. 6 is 6, right?
6 is 6. Okay, if you call 6, if 2 batsmen are playing and one of the batsmen
I
say,
need to say you cannot cancel it.
no.
Yeah, he has to.
Once he takes, that will be informed that he's taking 6 free hits. That will be informed to the captain side by umpire, and that will be informed to the scorers as well that he's taken fielding as a team.
Over a shoulder height, allowed or not? 1 per over or not?
There will be, for the shoulder height, there will be only one ball will be allowed in between the shoulder and head. Okay, anything above head, the umpires will call that, the umpire can give you a warning as well on that. Is there any other questions?
In case of rain.
In case of rain.
Money will be refunded.
On that list, as the opener going opener and 1 or 2 down, if that can be given, that will be good.
Otherwise, the scorers will have the- but there is the number here.
Yeah.
They can recognize.
Yes. Because some of the guys don't have a shirt number. But I think everyone has a shirt number.